Hello and welcome. My name is Austin, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add auto captions to your video using just your smartphone and Capcut application. And you can do this on both your Android and iOS devices. So without further ado, let's get started.
The first thing is to open your Capcut. So here is my Capcut, and then we have to select the particular video that we want to add auto caption. So I've already selected my video. This is a particular video that I want to add my auto caption. You already know how to do this. So the first thing is, now first of all, what is an auto caption? Auto caption simply means, auto caption is a form of a subtitle. It's a text that displays on the screen that explains what somebody is saying in the particular video. You know, so let's say that you recorded yourself talking about a particular thing, maybe video editing or maybe affiliate marketing or anything, a talking head video. So you can add a subtitle or an auto caption that explains exactly what you are saying in that video in the form of text. You know, that is what auto caption is. Okay, so after you have selected your video, the first thing you have to do before you add the auto caption is to trim any unnecessary part of the video. So you have to play it and trim any unwanted part of that video. So let me play this and trim off the beginning and the end.
Hello.
Okay, so just before I started speaking and said hello and welcome, I'm going to click on it and I'll delete this first part. Okay, I'll also go to the end of the clip and delete the last ending. So let's see.
So I'm going to see you on the other side.
So let's play this video. It's a 20 seconds video. Let's play it and see what it's talking about.
Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with video editing. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store and download the Capcut. Okay, the second thing is to take in the understand. So I have a step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to get started with the video editing using just your smartphone. Understand? So all you have to do is to make payment for the training, and then I'll give you access. So I'm going to see you on the other side.
Okay, so in this video I was talking about video editing and all of that. So now that we have trimmed the beginning and the end of the clip, now if there is another place where you were not saying anything, you have to cut off all those unnecessary parts. Okay, once I've done that, then you have to click on the video and then come down to caption. No, you don't have to click the video. Okay, there are actually so many ways to do it. Number one is to come straight to this caption interface here. Just come straight here to this place that says caption. That is the first method. The second method is to come from text. You come to text and you click on text. Okay, if you click on text, it is now going to bring you the option of auto caption. Whichever one you want to do, at the end of the day you will be directed to auto caption. So just click on auto caption here. Then it's going to bring us different options. This one that says generate from. If you click on it, it will ask you where do you want to generate the auto caption for. It has two options. Number one is video, number two is voiceover. Now, if it is a video that you uploaded, like in my case, it is a video, then you have to select video. But if it is a voiceover that you uploaded, you have to select voiceover. So by default, it has selected video. So I'll click on done, right? Then the second space here says spoken language. That is which language is spoken in that video. So you have the option of selecting the particular language, or Capcut will automatically detect the language. So in this case, you have English, you have so many languages here. So you can go ahead and select your language by yourself, or you can put it on auto detect. That means Capcut will listen to your video and choose the language automatically. So currently it is on auto detect, and I'll leave it like that. Then the third option here is this one that says template. So this is where you can select different templates they can use, but we are going to leave it at default. Later on we are going to edit that template inside Capcut. Okay, and then the fourth option here is this one that says advanced option. So if you click on this advanced option here, it's going to give you the option of a translated language, which we don't need, and then this one that says identify filler words. So you have to turn this identify filler words button on. Now filler words basically means when you were not saying anything, or when you made a mistake, or when you are just saying all those all those filler, those are called filler words. We are not saying any meaningful thing. So Capcut will automatically detect it and give you the option to delete it. Okay, so I have to turn it on. Once I've done all of that, they have to click on this place that says generate. So you click on generate, and then you wait for a few minutes or a few seconds. Capcut will automatically translate the message of the video into text. So the process has been completed. Now it is telling me, because I turned on filler words, it is already telling me that it identified 3 filler words. Okay, this is the first one here in blue. The ones in blue are the filler words. So this player say it's now giving me the option to delete 3 clips. Those are the places where I was saying okay, all those are called filler words. So I can just click on delete 3 clips and it will be deleted. So let's click on this. So those filler words has been deleted. Okay, now that is the first step. So our auto caption has been added to our video. The second thing we have to do is to edit this auto caption, because the thing is, in as much as this Capcut AI is like 98% correct, but sometimes it can make mistake. Maybe if the words you are saying in the video was not clear enough, it can misinterpret it. So after adding auto caption, always try to edit it. So for you to do that, you have to click on one of the auto caption like this. Then come to this place that says edit captions. You click on edit captions. Then it is going to bring out all the auto captions in text box. Okay, so what you have to do is to manually go through them and be sure there were no mistakes. Okay, so you just have to manually go through them and be sure there were no mistakes. If there was any mistake, you can click on it and edit it. Let's assume I want this one that says hello and welcome. So in this video, so if there was any mistake there, I'll just click on it and then the text box will open. Then I can correct any mistake there. For example, it says hello and welcome. So in this video, I just type video, then I click on the check mark. Okay, and that has been corrected. So once you have done with this editing, the next thing you can now do is to tap on any of them again. And the last thing you have to do is to click on style, so you can edit the font and the caption template. So I'll click on style here. This is style. So in style here, I have the option of choosing my own font. So you have to click on font. This is font here. Then I will advise you to look for a bold font so that people can read it. Okay, so there are so many fonts. Some of them are free, some are paid. So you just have to go through them and select a very bold font. So let me look for my own font. Then I'll click on the check mark. Okay, as you can see, the font has changed. Then the next thing you have to do is let's go back to style again and then select the particular template. So you have to click on this place that says template. So it will give you, it will show you all the templates that are available on Capcut. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. So you have to go through them and see the one that you like. Let me check them one by one.
Hello.
Okay, you see this one. See how this one is playing.
Hello and welcome. So in this video. Hello and welcome. So in this video.
Yeah, so there is no particular rule that says you must use this auto caption or you must use the other auto caption. It depends on number one, the kind of video you shot, and then number two, the type of clothes you are wearing. For example, you can see that in this clothes I was wearing a yellow shirt, a yellow polo. So because of that, any text template I must choose must be a color that must contrast with yellow. So I cannot use something like white or yellow because it's not going to show. So I have to use something like blue or something like brown or something like green so that they can contrast well. And for example, this particular one I choose is a combination of white and brown, and you can see it is very legible. So once you have selected that, you now have to click on the check mark button and it will be applied. Okay, the other thing you can do is after now let's go back to edit again. So let me click on this first auto caption text here. Let's go back to style.
Hello, okay. Hello and welcome. So in this video I'm gonna
Then when you are editing a particular caption, there is this option that asks you to apply to all main captions. That this button here that says apply to all main auto caps. What that means is that when you are editing a particular text, you can decide to apply that same effect to every single text, or you can apply it to only that particular text. So for instance, when I change my font, if I want that effect to apply to every singular text right there, I'll just turn this button on. This place says apply to all main caption. You understand? But if I want that effect to apply only to that single text, then I'll turn it off. So because I want the font to be the same, I want all of them to use the same font, then I have to turn the button on. As you can see, it is currently turned on. Okay, once I'm done with that, click on the check mark button and then your video should be ready. So we've talked about how to add your auto caption. We talked about what auto caption is. We've talked about how to add auto caption. We talked about how to edit it, how to remove filler words. We've also talked about how to change the font and how to select the right auto caption template. Okay, so having done that, let's play the video and see what we have.
Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with video editing. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store and download Capcut. The second thing is to take a training. You understand? So I have a step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to get started with video editing using just your smartphone. Understand? All you have to do is to make payment for the training, and then I'll give you access. So I'm going to see you on the other side.
As you can see, that was smooth. So now any other edit, you can add any other style once after you have already added the auto caption. Maybe if you want to add some stickers to illustrate what you are saying, you can go ahead and do that. For example, this place that says
hello and welcome. So
hello and welcome. Hello, I can just, in the place for hello, I can use something like something that represents hello or something that represents welcome. Like maybe I can go to sticker and look for handshake. You understand? I can go to sticker and look for hand. This is handshake. So this is handshake. I can decide to add it to this place where I was saying hello and welcome. Okay.
Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show.
I'll click on the check mark. So this is the hello and welcome. I can reduce the size and bring it to this area.
Hello.
So let me adjust this hello and welcome. Let me adjust it to where exactly the text started. So let's play this.
Hello and welcome.
So immediately I finish saying hello and welcome, I'm going to split this particular sticker right there and delete the extra parts. Okay, so let's see this.
Hello and welcome. So in this video,
so immediately I was saying hello and welcome, you saw that this sticker that I added now, that was a handshake sticker, it appeared on my screen. Okay, so let's I go to the next scene, and then I listen to what I said in that scene, and I'm going to look for a sticker that is that can illustrate that. So let me play the next scene.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how.
For example, so in the next scene I said in this video, so I'm going to go to sticker again and look for something, an icon that looks similar to a video, maybe video editing or videography, and I'm going to add it to that scene. This is just to make sure that my video looks very clean and more professional. So I'll go to sticker again, and I'll go to search bar and I type for video, maybe videography. Let's say videography. Okay, I'll click on the search bar. So I'm going to see different stickers that are related to videography. So I can just choose one of them. Let me click on this. So this is the sticker. I'm going to reduce the size, and then I'm going to bring it to this lower part of my screen. Then I'll click on the check mark. So let's play it.
Welcome. So in this video,
I'm going to highlight this sticker and I'm going to drag it to start exactly where I was saying in this video. Okay.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how.
Let me drag it to the left again, so you can start exactly where I was saying in this video.
Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how.
Yeah. So then I'm going to split the excess part of this sticker. So let me click on this place here, and then delete the excess part of this sticker. Now this sticker is not big. Let me increase the size so it can be very, very prominent. Now we are done with our caption. We are just adding extra edit to make it look cleaner. Okay. Also, this handshake we added before, let me increase the size to like this. So let's play this.
Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you.
You don't see that the place I was saying hello and welcome, I added a handshake icon here. The place I said in this video, I added a video, this is a video editing icon right there. Okay, so this is how you are going to continue with your video. You play the next scene, you watch what you said in that video, you go to sticker. You can use a sticker, you can use an image, or you can use a video. Okay, you can go to Google and download some images or icon that you can use to illustrate what you're saying. Or if you can't find that, you can use stickers. Okay, just use sticker to illustrate what you're saying in it, but particular clip. So you have to do it like that until the whole video is over. Okay, so once the whole video is over, your video is ready. So now the essence of auto caption is to make sure that your video is readable, legible, and people can get more understanding of what you are saying in that video. Understand? So let me play this again and see what we have.
Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with the video.
Yeah, it's just because I don't want this video to be prolonged. Otherwise, I would have gone ahead to add the sticker from the beginning to the end of the video, but I don't want it to be prolonged. I've already shown you how you can do it. So go ahead and do it, and I'm going to get a good clean video. So now I have a comprehensive training where I showed you exactly how to edit high quality video using your smartphone on the Capcut application. I showed you everything you need to know about video editing. I'll link the video, the link to this training in the description of this video, and also in the pinned comment, so you can go ahead and get this training and also have access to my mentorship.
And that's it for this video. I believe you got value from it. So make sure you click on the subscribe button so I don't miss my subsequent videos. Also click on the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people like you. And then you can get my comprehensive smartphone video editing masterclass that shows you exactly how to edit high quality videos using your smartphone, and then use the link in the description. And so I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.